back to another video. I'm Camille, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a headband wig that I got from Wigmy on AliExpress. I bought this hair and I will be putting the link to this hair in the description so you could go ahead and check it out if you want to. So I'm just going to show you quickly what I got in the bag. Well, I got it in the box, but the box was way too ripped for me to show you. So this bag came in the box as well. So I got wig cap, some eyelashes, and also this is what the hair came in this bag. I took it out of the bag before. This is not my first time taking it out of the bag. So this is the hair, and also I got 2 headbands. Yeah, I got 2 yellow ones. I wish I got a different color, but 2 yellow ones. Doesn't matter anyway. I'm gonna be showing you the 2 of them once I put on the wig. So before I put on the wig, I'm gonna go ahead to lay my edges with this edge control, so the hairstyle will look more sleek, you know, and look more wearable and nice and all the good words that you want to use. So this is what the hair looks like after you take it out of the bag, and inside the wig you have 4 combs, 2 at the side, 1 on the top and 1 at the bottom. Also, it does come with this headband part on the wig as well, so if you don't want to wear the headbands that come with the wig, you can just wear it just like that, and to that is connected the Velcro straps where you can make the wig as tight as you want it to be. After putting on the wig, this is what the hair looks like, and in my opinion, if you wanted to rock the hair like this, you could. If you don't want to comb it out as yet, you can wear it like this, but nah, you know, I want some puff. I want to see the real curls popping out of this wig, so I'm going ahead to spray some water, and as I spray the water, I would brush it out just to get the hair a bit more puffy. I must say that I'm really impressed with how super soft this hair is feeling. Like, trust me, it's not even looking as soft as it's feeling. And just so you know, the more you brush or comb the hair out is the more kinky it's gonna get, or the more afro-y it's gonna get. So you have to know how much puff you want out of the hair. So this is the first headband, guys, and I'm really getting a springy type of vibe from this headband. I feel it would be perfect for a cloudy day. This is the second headband, and I'm really loving this one because it's a little more calm. I'm also going to be showing you some hairstyles that you could get with this headband wig as well. that is pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you have not yet subscribed, like, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and turn on your bell so that you don't miss out on any content that I post. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye.